Pixel Watch 2 was announced this week and it brings the new Wearables 4.0. There should be an asterisk next to new because we have already seen this on Galaxy Watch 6 and Watch 5 way before than what Google officially launched. Though the Samsung looks like lot like its own Tizen based OS, but it's like heavily customized. Watch 2 will run the new OS from the get-go. Original Pixel Watch will release this update later this year. In the meantime, developers can use Galaxy Watches to test their apps. One thing that you might like to try out is the watch face format that was co-developed with Samsung, which let developers define the appearance and behaviors of the watch faces in XML. There is no code involved. Wearables will handle the rendering of the watch face instead. This means developers don't have to worry about code optimization and battery pack. Wearables 4 also bring 1.2% of the Jetpack tile library, which includes new animation features and data binding. Simple way to show up-to-date data in your app. Wearables also brings is based on Android 13, while Wearables 3.5 was based on Android 11. There's major changes since no more 32-bit support is allowed, but developers will have to ensure that their apps work on new OS. They can do it by using Wearables for emulator by using the new Pixel Watch 2 or other Wearables for compatible watches, which is only the Galaxy Watch 5 and 6.